Hi there, students. A ruffian. Okay, a ruffian, a countable noun, a person. A hooligan, a yobbo. Yeah? Somebody who's not very nice. A violent, unpleasant person who's wild, uncontrollable, probably involved in crime, is always beating people up, is quite a violent person. Notice this one is normally talking about a man. Yeah, well, men are probably normally more violent. Okay, so a ruffian. Don't trust him, he's a ruffian. We were sitting near the bar, and suddenly a couple of ruffians came into the room and started causing trouble. Okay, so a ruffian, a violent person, a thug, a scoundrel, a villain, a rogue. Yeah, so somebody violent and normally often involved in crime. A gang of ruffians came into the village, and they were intent on making trouble. Yeah. A violent, lawless person, brutal, lawless, a hoodlum. That's a good American word for it. Yeah, a bully. Yeah, the school bully and a couple of ruffians walked towards me, and I started to get very nervous. Okay, so a tough, rowdy person, a gangster. Yeah, a bully, a gang of ruffians standing on the corner waiting to cause trouble. Yeah, some bruisers. Yeah, some lager louts, some roughnecks. Yeah, some boot boys. That's quite a good word as well. Okay, so a ruffian, somebody who is deceitful, unprincipled, doesn't have any morals, and is very unreliable. Okay, let's see. So, formality. Okay, I think this word is probably rather old-fashioned. Yeah, I think I would probably give it a 6.5 in formality. It sounds incredibly posh. I think this is a word Henry might use. This man is a total ruffian. Yeah, so it sounds very posh, rather literary. So I think you could probably use it in a semi-formal or formal writing, but otherwise be careful where you use it. People will be surprised by it if you use it in an informal context. And then as to origin, well, this word comes from French, Ruffian, which comes from Italian, Ruffiano, which is a pimp, a person who controls prostitutes. Okay, so if somebody's a ruffian, he's very rough, he's not a nice person. This is an insult. Yeah, this is deeply critical. Okay, so who are the ruffians out there in our world today? I can think of one or two leaders who might be referred to as ruffians. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A ruffian.